Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to check your Kikoff credit account balance. Okay, it's going to be a really quick video. We're not going to waste any time. Let's just get straight into it. So first thing you want to do is to log into your Kikoff account. Now remember, you can log into your Kikoff account on the mobile app. Likewise, you can do that on the website with your computer. So once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on account balance, and there you can review the current balance as well as your available credits. You can also view transaction histories to help you get a better understanding on your balance, and you can also check for any pending transactions in case you have expenditures that's about to go out or payment that's about to go out, and you're gonna need to update your balance after it's done. You also want to review and understand the account balance terms and conditions. Yeah, that's pretty much it on how to check your Kikoff credit account balance. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.